Hi, to enable and disable NFC on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, just open Settings on the phone and from here find this tab More Connections. And now you should see NFC feature, so let's pick it. And as a first step, we can set default payment app. So tap here and pick just something from the list of options. In my case, it is Google Pay. Now in settings, we can choose to prioritize currently running app or always use default app. And now you can enable or disable NFC by tapping on the switcher. So if you can see that the switcher is gray and default app is unavailable, then NFC is turned off. To turn on, just tap on the switcher so it will become blue and all of the other tabs would be available. And now you can tap the back of your phone against an NFC reader to access services such as making a payment. You can also tap here to view NFC area. Easier way how you can turn it on or off is by going into Control Center. So swipe down from the upper right corner and swipe this line down again. And from here, find NFC. So when it's blue, it is enabled. To disable, tap the icon once. If you cannot see it in this list, then tap this Edit button, choose to edit shortcut switch, and find it in this switch panel or lower. Then tap it to add to your control center and tap Done. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.